Okay guys, just imagine yourself as running a restaurant where the kitchen chef, waiters and cashiers all speak different languages. Sounds chaotic, right? Now imagine doing this with a 200-person team and a 50 million US dollar technology product. Now that sounds more challenging. And that's where SAP Project Manager comes into play. Hello and welcome everyone to this video on career guidance for SAP Project Manager by ZaranTech. Now if we talk about these professionals or SAP Project Managers basically, then they are the ones who bridges the gap between business goals and the technical teams. They are the ones who keep massive technology projects on track, on budget and running in a smooth manner. And you know what? The top SAP project managers earns somewhere between 110,000 US dollars to 180,000 US dollar as a base salary, plus some bonuses over that. And unlike other tech roles, you can work in any industry that you love, from sports to fashion to the healthcare industry. Plus, you don't need to be a tech genius to succeed in this particular role. Like a great project managers are made through their leadership skills and their business knowledges. So if you are good with people and love solving problems, you are already halfway there. Now with this particular video, we will show you a step-by-step path to becoming an SAP project manager. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe to our ZaranTech YouTube channel and hit that bell icon to get regular updates from us.
Okay guys, now let's have a look at our agenda for today's video. So first of all, we will start with what an SAP project manager is. Then we will discuss why one should choose a career as an SAP project manager. Then moving forward, we will discuss how to start your career as an SAP project manager with a detailed roadmap for that. And lastly, we will look at their different job roles, responsibilities and their salary insights. So let us begin with our first agenda point. What is SAP Project Manager? Okay, so an SAP Project Manager is basically a person who is responsible for overseeing and coordinating the SAP software projects within an organization. And they basically ensures the successful implementation or enhancement of the SAP systems, guiding the project from start to the finish. For example, if a company is upgrading to SAP S4HANA, the SAP Project Manager coordinates all aspects from planning to the execution. And he is the one who manages the timelines, budgets and resources while ensuring that the project meets goals and their proper deadlines. And for that, a great example would be when a retail company implements SAP to improve their inventory management. So here, basically the SAP project manager would handle tasks like ensuring the system integrates seamlessly with their existing platforms, managing communication between their teams, and minimizing any disruptions to daily operations. So in essence, an SAP project manager basically ensures that SAP projects are completed on time, within budget and meet their organizational needs. Okay, now in this world of SAP, effective project management is very crucial for any organization. So why is it used? First of all, to ensure the smooth implementation of SAP systems. For example, a company might use SAP project management to streamline the deployment of SAP S4HANA across its global offices by basically ensuring all locations run seamlessly in the time. Second is, it's basically used to coordinate between departments and the stakeholders. Now, for instance, if HR, finance and IT are all involved in an SAP project, the SAP project management basically here helps them to ensure their goals and timelines are properly aligned there. Then next comes project manager, basically helps them to manage resources, timelines and budgets effectively. So now say a company wants to implement SAP for inventory management. Here, project management ensures that there's enough budget and all tasks are completed on time without any overusing resources of that. Now lastly, project managers are the one that aligns SAP projects with business goals. For example, if a business wants to improve customer services, project management here ensures that the SAP system is set up to meet this goal by integrating the customer support tools. Okay, now as we move forward, here we will explore some of the key components of successful project management. First, project planning and scoping. So this basically defines the project's objectives, deliverables, and their proper requirements. For instance, a team might begin by outlining the goals of launching a new app and specifying features and their proper timelines for that. Next, team management and coordination. So this basically ensures that everyone is on the same page. This includes assigning tasks and setting up regularly check-ins for that. Then comes risk assessment and mitigation that basically help them identify potential issues early before they even happen. For example, if a supplier delay is likely to happen, then a backup plan can be implemented for that. Then comes change management. That basically ensures smooth transitions when plans evolve. A classic example is adapting to new software or tools mid project. Quality assurance and testing are another critical thing for project success, like conducting user testing before the launching of a website. Then comes stakeholder communication that basically keeps everyone informed from team members to their clients. Then comes budget management. So this thing basically ensures the project stays financially on track and timeline adherence guarantees the deadline are met exactly. So basically by mastering these components, you are setting your project up for a proper success. Now here we'll explore the crucial role of an SAP project manager and how they contribute to the organizations. So SAP project managers are responsible for overseeing the implementation of any new SAP systems. For example, when a company like Coca-Cola decides to adopt SAP S/4HANA, the SAP project manager here basically leads the project to ensure smooth installation and integration into the business processes. They also manage upgrades to the existing SAP software. For instance, a global manufacturing firm might upgrade from SAP ECC to SAP S/4HANA to enhance their data processing speed and a proper efficiency. Another key responsibility is integrating SAP with other business systems. So just imagine a retailer like Walmart integrating SAP with a third-party e-commerce platform to basically streamline their inventory management and sales data synchronization. SAP project managers also customize SAP modules to meet specific business needs. For example, they might tailor the SAP sales and distribution module to align with a company's unique sales processes. And lastly, they train their employees on SAP usage by ensuring teams are proficient with the new system, reducing adoption time and improving their overall productivity for that. Now, moving on to our next agenda, let us see why one should choose a career in this field and how these roles could be a perfect fit for you. Okay, so a career in SAP project management offers you incredible opportunities to lead, innovate, and make a good impact for that. So let us discover why this role is in high demand right now. Okay, so if you are looking to advance your career with a high demand skill, then SAP is leading enterprise software used by large corporations across the globe and making it a sought after skills right now. And as a result, skilled project managers with SAP expertise are always in demand. Take, for example, a multinational company like Unilever. Their use of SAP across various departments requires experienced project managers to basically ensure a smooth implementation. So, this high demand means SAP professionals can command the competitive salaries. And according to the recent data, SAP project managers often earn six-figure salaries due to their specialized skills. But it's not just about the paycheck here because there are plenty of room for career growth in the SAP field. You can start as a project manager, but with experience, you could move into higher roles such as program manager or even take on executive positions like SAP director or CIO. Now, SAP offers you with the vast industry exposure, making it a great choice for professionals seeking diverse experiences. From manufacturing to healthcare, from retail to finance, SAP is used across various sectors that is basically allowing you to gain the valuable insights into different industries. For example, an SAP consultant working in retail might optimize supply chains, while one in healthcare could manage the patient data more efficiently. Another key benefit of working with SAP is the continuous learning. So, this field evolves rapidly, offering professionals opportunities to stay ahead by learning new technologies and the methodologies. For instance, the SAP S/4HANA introduced new features transforming the way companies manage their data. So professionals who continuously adapt can work with cutting-edge tools like SAP Analytics Cloud or SAP AI capabilities that is basically expanding their skills. So this basically makes SAP not just a job but a continuous journey of growth and development. Okay, now, if you are looking to lead dynamic projects, SAP project managers' roles are in high demand right now. With a 30% growth in global SAP job postings, this career offers you with the stability and opportunities that you need. So, let us dive into the trends and stats behind this choice. Now, did you know that the global SAP services market is booming right now in the market? In 2021, which was valued at 19.29 billion US dollars, and now it is expected to grow to 32.03 billion US dollars by the year 2027 with a compound annual rate or a CAGR of 8.9%. So this growth basically shows that more businesses are choosing SAP for their operations, driving the demand for SAP services globally. SAP adoption is impressive too because over 4 lakh customers across more than 180 countries use SAP to basically streamline their processes and improve the efficiency. And even more impressive is that 92% of the Forbes Global 2000 companies rely on SAP to power their businesses. For example, companies like Coca-Cola or Unilever use SAP to manage their complex supply chains and financial operations. And as business grow and digital transformation continues, the SAP's market presence is only set to expand. And now is a great time to explore opportunities in this fast growing field. So an SAP project managers in US earns somewhere between an average salary of $100,000 to 150,000 US dollars annually, and with experienced professionals making even more than that. So, for example, a senior project manager with 10 plus years of experience can earn more than $180,000. So, this is the source by Glassdoor 2023. And additionally, skills in demand are shifting. Like 67% of SAP customers plan to migrate to SAP S4HANA by the year 2023. and this is driving a significant need for project managers with expertise in S4HANA implementation. So now, for instance, a project manager who led a successful S4HANA upgrade for a large manufacturing firm may find themselves in high demand with higher salary potential. SAP project managers with experience in S4HANA are positioned for a greater success with lucrative salaries and high demand in the market. So if you have these skills, now is the time to advance your career. Now, did you know that the SAP job market is booming? And here, LinkedIn reported a 34% year over year increase in the SAP related job postings in the year 2022. So, this growth shows that the increasing demand for professionals skilled in SAP. For example, companies like Coca-Cola, Intel, and Adidas heavily rely on SAP solutions to manage their operations, which is creating more opportunities in areas like finance, logistics, and manufacturing. So here, SAP isn't just limited to one industry also. It's used across 25 different sectors, from retail and healthcare to energy and finance. So this basically means that project managers with SAP expertise have a wide range of options. You could be leading projects at a global retail giant, a healthcare provider, or even a smart city initiative. So basically, in short, whether you are looking for a variety or a booming job market, SAP offers it all. So if you are ready to take the next step, let us dive into the world of SAP and explore some of their endless career possibilities that is waiting for you. Okay, so if you are ready to take your career to the next level now, as an SAP project manager, the future holds some exciting changes and developments here. So let us explore those evolving trends, skills, and opportunities that can shape your path. So as businesses continue evolving, SAP project managers face exciting new challenges and opportunities daily. Cloud migration is the one. With more organizations moving to cloud-based SAP solutions, project managers must master the cloud technologies here. For example, moving from an on-premises SAP system to SAP S/4HANA Cloud allows companies to scale efficiently and reduce their cost. AI and machine learning integration. Here, SAP is now embedding AI in its systems, creating chances for project managers to work on some cutting edge projects. Now imagine using SAP AI Core and AI Foundation to enhance predictive maintenance in manufacturing, making operations even more smoother and more efficient for them. IoT and big data. So SAP's expansion into IoT and big data opens up some new project management avenues. Now take SAP Leonardo, for instance, which connects IoT devices to collect real-time data. So here, project managers are needed to lead the initiative like smart city or smart factory implementation that is basically harnessing data for better decision making. So basically, by developing expertise in these areas, project managers can stay ahead in this fast evolving SAP landscape. Another thing also could be agile project management, which is also becoming increasingly popular in SAP implementations. So traditionally, SAP projects followed a rigid waterfall approach. However, many organizations are now shifting towards agile. So this approach basically focuses on flexibility, collaboration, and rapid delivery of value. For example, companies like Siemens or Cognizant use Agile to manage the SAP S/4HANA projects, breaking them into smaller and more manageable iterations. And this results into faster adjustments to changes and enhances their team productivity. SAP is also placing a strong emphasis on sustainability, creating new project opportunities. So, with growing environmental concerns, companies are prioritizing sustainability initiatives. SAP is developing tools like SAP Sustainability Cloud to basically businesses track and manage their environmental impact. For instance, here Unilever uses SAP tools to optimize the supply chains with sustainable practices, that is basically aiming to reduce the carbon footprints. And this focuses on the sustainability that creates projects in environmental data management, carbon reduction, and resource optimization, opening some new avenues for professionals in the SAP roles. Okay, now if you're ready to take charge of these successful projects, let us dive into the role of an SAP project manager and learn the key technologies and basic tasks that drive impactful, efficient, and innovative project management. Okay, so SAP project managers oversee various SAP technologies to deliver their successful projects. So let us explore the key tools they use. So the very first is SAP S/4HANA, the latest SAP ERP suite that is offering them with the advanced automation and real-time analytics. For example, companies like Siemens use it for efficient financial management. SAP Cloud Platform. So this basically enables cloud-based development, helping companies to scale with flexibility. So here an example is how Unilever uses it for the real-time data integration. Then comes SAP Fiori, a design approach for modern user-friendly interfaces that is making it easier for employees to interact with the system. So this is a great example of SAP Fiori, which was used by Walmart for simplifying their reporting tool. Then comes SAP Solution Manager. This is basically a tool for project management that basically provides them with the insights into performance and some potential issues by basically ensuring the smooth project execution. For example, it helps Bosch to monitor project timelines and their quality assurance. Then come SAP modules. So modules like finance, HR, supply chain basically enhances the business operations by streamlining processes and improving their overall efficiency. So SAP project managers drive innovation and business success using some of these technologies only. Okay. So now in project management, there are several key tasks that basically ensure the success of a project. So the very first thing is project planning and scoping, which is very crucial. So this involves defining the project's objectives and creating a roadmap. For example, in software development, this might mean outlining the timeline and features of an app. Next comes resource allocation and management. That basically focuses on assigning the right team members and tools to the task. Now imagine assigning a developer with specific expertise to handle the coding of a crucial feature. Then comes risk assessment and mitigation. Here, they are basically identifying any potential problems early even before they arise. For example, if a supplier is at risk of delays, creating a backup plan helps them to keep track of the things. Stakeholder communication and management also involve regular updates and ensure everyone is aligned like weekly check-ins with the clients. Budget tracking and control. This basically ensures the project stays financially on track, such as monitoring cost for software licenses or team hours. Quality assurance and testing coordination is the another thing that makes sure deliverables met the required standards, like thoroughly testing a website before the launch. Lastly, change management and team leadership guide the team through transitions and motivate them to stay focused for that.
Hey guys, since you've been watching this video till now, I can definitely see your interest in learning through these particular tutorials. So if you're enjoying our tutorial style, we'd love to have you join our YouTube community family. So just click that subscribe button below here, It's absolutely free for you, and your support definitely helps us bring more tutorial content your way. Now, let's continue where we left off.
Okay, now if you're looking to start a career in SAP project management, then you should definitely discover how you can step into this high demand role, manage complex projects, and drive a success for the global organizations with the right skills and certifications for that. Okay, so if you are considering a career as an SAP project manager, then the very first thing that you should discover is the essential educational qualifications that is needed to step into this role and learn how you can shape your path to success in this dynamic world of SAP. Okay, so here a bachelor's degree is first very essential. Most SAP project managers have a background in computer science, information technology, business administration, or even a related field regarding to them. For example, if you are a student of IT, then you are already have a solid foundation into the technology that is needed for SAP. While a master's degree is not always necessary, but it can give you an edge. Like a master's in business administration or MBA or IT management can basically help you refine your leadership skills and deepen your understanding of managing projects in a more complex environment. For instance, an MBA will help you not only manage the technical side of SAP but also the business aspects, which are very critical for project success. So basically, the combination of education along with experience can set you on the path to a rewarding career in SAP project management. Now, moving forward in this guide, we'll explore some of the essential skills that you need to excel in this dynamic role. So, as an SAP project manager, technical SAP knowledge is very essential. You'll need to understand the key SAP modules like SAP S4HANA, SAP FICO, SAP MM, and SAP SD, which are very crucial for managing projects effectively. For example, SAP FICO helps in finance related tasks, while SAP MM focuses on materials management, and familiarity with SAP project life cycles and methodologies such as ASAP and Activate is also key to ensuring a smooth project execution. Experience with SAP tools like SAP Solution Manager and SAP NetWeaver is very important for monitoring and managing SAP landscapes. Understanding of integration between modules like how SAP SD integrates with SAP MM for order to cash processes will basically allow you to address challenges efficiently. And in addition to technical skills, a strong leadership and team management abilities are also very vital because as an SAP project manager, you'll need to excel the communication skills both verbally and written to basically engage with the stakeholders and their executives. For example, being able to clearly explain project goals during a presentation is very crucial. So you will also need the problem solving skills to basically address the issues quickly, leadership to motivate your team, and conflict resolution skills to manage any team disputes that arise in between. Okay, now as an SAP project manager, you are the driving force behind this successful project execution. So your expertise starts with project planning and scheduling, where you define the project scope, set realistic timelines, and establish a clear deliverables there. For example, you might plan a rollout of an SAP S4HANA module, ensuring every milestone is met on time. Risk management is also critical here because as you identify any potential risk like system downtimes or resource shortages, then you need to develop strategies to mitigate them. For instance, if a team member is unavailable, you ensure the alternative resources are already ready for them. Resource management is about basically efficiently allocating people, technologies, and materials So you need to foster the collaboration among cross-functional teams by basically ensuring tasks are completed seamlessly on time. And finally, you handle budgeting and cost management. That basically means overseeing financials to ensure projects stay within the budget. For example, controlling licensing and implementation costs ensure the project's profitability and efficiency. Now, SAP project managers need a deep understanding of agile and waterfall methodologies. So, agile is ideal for fast paced projects like tech startups or product development, where flexibility and quick adaptation are the key. For example, when launching a new app using Agile allows teams to make rapid adjustments based on user feedback. In contrast, here waterfall works well for more structured step-by-step projects like building a new ERP system for a large manufacturer, where the phases are clearly defined from the start. Business acumen is also very crucial too. Repeat, business acumen is also very crucial too. SAP project managers must understand the industry specific processes, whether in manufacturing, retail, or finance, to ensure the SAP solutions align with the business objectives. For example, in retail, SAP could streamline the inventory management, while in finance, it could optimize the financial reporting. So basically, by aligning the SAP projects with broader business goals, ensures the success and efficiency of that project. So, if you are passionate about leading impactful SAP projects, then this role offers you with a unique opportunity to drive the innovation across various industries. Now, if you're ready to lead these successful SAP projects, with the right guidance and certifications, you can excel as an SAP project manager. So, let us dive into the essential certifications that pave the way for your career growth. Okay, so to excel as an SAP project manager, obtaining the right certification is the key. The SAP Certified Application Associate or SAP Activate Project Manager certification basically focuses on the SAP Activate methodology, that basically ensuring that you are equipped to lead successful SAP implementations. Repeat, successful SAP implementations. So for those managing SAP S4HANA projects, the SAP Certified Technology Associate SAP S4HANA Project Management certification is very crucial because that basically offering you with the insights into handling project scopes, timelines, and challenges within the SAP S4HANA environment. Additionally, the Project Management Professional or PMP certification that is basically recognized globally because it is an essential credentials for managing projects on time, within budget, and to the highest quality standards. The Prince 2 Practitioner certification provides you with a structured approach to project management that basically emphasizing the importance of following established process to achieve a good success. And finally, if you are working in agile environments, the Certified Scrum Master or CSM certification demonstrates your expertise in agile methodologies, particularly Scrum, ensuring that you can manage projects effectively in a fast-paced iterative settings. So basically these certifications will give you the knowledge and tools to thrive as an SAP project manager. Okay, now to become a successful project manager, there are several key steps you can take to prepare for the role. First, gain the practical experience by working on SAP related projects, such as internships or any smaller projects to build your expertise. Building a portfolio is also essential because that basically showcases your best work, demonstrating your project management and technical skills. And make sure to network and stay updated with the latest SAP trends by connecting with professionals and attending some industry events. And don't forget to develop your soft skills, especially leadership and communication skills, because as managing team is very critical part of this job, these skills will definitely help you. Now, when preparing for technical interviews, ensure that you can talk confidently about your project management experience and the technical knowledge. Understanding the business side of SAP is also crucial because, as you will all need to know how SAP integrates with overall business operations. Practice with some mock interviews to fine tune your responses and customize your resume for each job applications. And lastly, keep up with the continuous learning to stay competitive in this competitive field. Okay, now moving forward in this guide, let us explore some of the key job roles, their responsibilities, and salary insights that can help you navigate this rewarding career path. Okay, so if you are looking to excel as an SAP project manager, then you need to learn about some essential job roles and their responsibilities that basically define the success in this dynamic career. Okay, so the role of an SAP implementation project manager is to oversee end-to-end SAP projects by ensuring the smooth execution from start to the finish. So this basically includes developing detailed project plans, timelines, and budgets. For instance, if a company is upgrading its SAP system, here the project manager coordinates between technical teams, business units, and the stakeholders to ensure everything is aligned properly. And here, a key responsibility of them is to manage risks and ensure project deliverables are met on the time. For example, if a delivery is delayed, the project manager assesses alternatives and ensures that the project stays on track. Now, if we talk about their salaries, then in India, an SAP implementation project manager can expect to earn between 15 lakhs to 35 lakhs per annum, depending upon their experiences and company size. And if we talk about US, then there the salary ranges from 90,000 US dollars to 140,000 US dollars per annum. And this role is very vital for basically ensuring that SAP projects run efficiently and within their given budget. That is making it an excellent career choice for experienced project managers in the SAP field. Now here we can look into the role of an SAP upgrade project manager. So this key position involves planning and executing SAP system upgrades. For example, if a company is moving from SAP ECC to SAP S4HANA, the project manager assesses how this upgrade impacts existing processes like inventory management or their sales orders. Another crucial task of them is to coordinating testing to basically ensure minimal business disruptions. For instance, during an upgrade, they might schedule tests after hours to avoid affecting daily operations. And additionally to that, managing stakeholders' expectations is also very vital, which means keeping everyone informed about timelines and any potential challenges that is coming in future. Now, in terms of salary, then in India, SAP upgrade project managers can earn between 18 lakhs to 40 lakhs per annum. And if we talk about US, then there the salary ranges from 95,000 US dollars to 150,000 US dollars per annum. And this reflects the demand for skilled professionals in this field clearly. Okay, now as an SAP integration project manager who basically leads the project that connects SAP with other enterprise systems. So he basically ensuring the seamless data flow and alignment of business processes. They play a very key role in coordinating between SAP teams and teams working on other systems and making sure all components work smoothly together. Now, for example, an SAP integration project manager might oversee the integration of SAP with a CRM system like Salesforce and ensuring that customer data syncs correctly between both those systems. And they also oversee the testing and validation of the integrated systems by basically ensuring no disruptions in the business operations. Now, in terms of compensation for an SAP integration project manager, the salary for them in India typically ranges between 20 lakhs to 45 lakhs per annum. Whereas if we talk about US, then there the annual salary can range between $100,000 to 160,000 US dollars per annum. That is clearly reflecting the high demand for this role globally. So, with the growing need for businesses to integrate diverse systems, the role of an SAP integration project manager is very crucial in today's tech driven world. Okay, now here the role of an SAP rollout project manager is also very crucial because he is the one who is managing SAP implementation across multiple locations or even subsidiaries. So this involves adapting the core SAP solutions to fit the local requirements while ensuring the standardization across different teams. For example, in a global company with branches in India and the US, the project manager may customize the SAP system to meet local tax regulations in India while maintaining the global framework used in the US. Coordination with their local team is also very essential, as it basically ensures that the solution aligns with both local needs and global standards. And additionally, managing change and training is key in diverse locations here. For instance, you might train a team in India on the new SAP system while helping a team in US adapt to the updated processes. Now, if we talk about their salaries, then in India, SAP rollout project managers can earn between 25 lakhs to even 50 lakhs per annum. And if I talk about US, then there the salary ranges from 110,000 US dollars to 170,000 US dollars per annum. And that is clearly reflecting their demand globally. Okay, now here we will be exploring the salary ranges for an SAP project managers in India and the USA. So if I talk about India, then here the entry level positions with the experience of 1 to 3 years, their salaries can range from 8 lakhs to 12 lakhs per year. For example, a recent graduate just starting their career as an SAP project manager might earn somewhere around 10 lakhs per annum. For mid-level positions with experience of 4 to 7 years, their salary increases from 12 lakhs to 18 lakhs per annum. And here, an experienced manager could even earn 15 lakhs per annum. If I talk about senior levels, with the experience of more than 8 years, then their salaries jump from 18 lakhs per annum to 30 lakhs per annum. And even as a senior project manager who's managing the complex projects may earn 25 lakhs annually. Now, if I talk about US, then here the entry level salaries range between 85,000 US dollars to 110,000 US dollars. For mid level SAP project managers, they can earn somewhere between $110,000 to 140,000 US dollars. And for senior position roles, salaries can range between 140,000 US dollars to 170,000 dollars. And finally, the top level positions can exceed their salaries to $170,000 annually and even more than that. Sometimes they often reach 200,000 US dollars per annum. Okay, now that's all we have for this video, guys. I hope by now you definitely got some basic information about who SAP project managers are, what they actually do, how one can become an SAP project manager, and what all their different roles and responsibilities they have. Now do comment below if you have any further queries.
Okay, now that's a wrap up for today's tutorial. I hope you learned something valuable here. And you know guys, what's more great? Having you as a part of our growing YouTube community. Just click that subscribe button below here and turn on the notifications also. It's completely free for you and you will never miss on any notifications for our upcoming videos. So thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next one.
Thank you for watching our video. Are you looking to elevate your career in SAP or start learning from the ground up? Look no further than our comprehensive SAP courses on the Teachable platform. We have partnered with industry experts to bring you self-paced courses covering the entire spectrum of SAP solutions, ERP, HANA, SuccessFactors, and more. Learn at your convenience from anywhere in the world. SAP professionals design our courses with years of real-world experience. They will guide you through comprehensive curriculums, blending theory with practical applications and real-world examples. Engage with interactive video lessons, quizzes, exercises, and hands-on projects. Apply what you learn immediately and solidify your understanding. Once enrolled, you will have lifetime access to the course materials, allowing you to revisit them whenever needed. And upon completion, you will receive a certificate to showcase your newfound SAP expertise. With affordable pricing and flexible payment options, investing in your SAP education has always been challenging. Take advantage of this opportunity to take your skills to new heights. Head over to our Teachable page, explore our course offerings, and enroll today to kickstart your journey toward becoming an SAP expert.